Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are trying to use Ometv on your iPhone but you are getting a message that says you are banned, don't worry, you are not alone. There are many users that get banned for reasons like false reports, connection issues, or breaking the guidelines by mistake. So in this video, I will walk you through all the effective methods to unban your Ometv on your iOS device using some easy beginner friendly step. Also, I will add all the useful links and the tools mentioned in this video down in the description. So make sure you check those out when you are done watching this video. Now, without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in the first method, you need to change your IP address. Now, most of the time, Ometv bans your IP based, not because of the account based. So changing your IP can instantly remove the ban, and in order to do that, you just have to simply do it. Like, you need to first of all turn off your Wi-Fi and you need to switch to the mobile data. Then you need to relaunch Ometv and try connecting again. If you are already using a mobile data and still banned, you can just simply use this trick in which you will have to swipe down your notification bar and tap on the airplane mode once and then tap on the airplane mode in order to actually refresh your internet. Now, if that doesn't work, you can try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network, or you can even use a VPN from a trusted provider. The links of that also given down in the description. Now, in the second method, you can try uninstalling the application and reinstall it, because sometimes the ban is tied to the app session or cached data. So in order to do that, you just have to simply long press on your Ometv and you need to tap on the remove app option. Now, once you tap on remove app, it is going to ask whether you want to delete this app. So yeah, we want to delete the app. So you need to tap on the delete app option and then you need to simply open your app store and you need to search for Ometv. Once you are able to find Ometv, you need to tap on its icon and you need to basically reinstall Ometv on your device. Then allow the camera and the mic access permissions again when prompted, and this is going to help you, especially if the app was storing banned data locally and even as a soft ban. Now, if none of the method is working for you, the best would be to actually contact to the Ometv customer support team, and for that you can just either use Ometv's chat support system in the application, or you can just open Safari and here you need to simply search for Ometv Help Center. You will find the first link, that is Ometv FAQ. So you need to simply tap on it. Now you need to scroll down a bit and here in the bottom you will see the contacts option. So tap on contacts and you will be landed on the contacts page where you will see their email address, that is contact@omet.tv. So you just have to simply tap on that and it will redirect you in your email. So you can basically mail them that by mistaken your account got banned and you won't be do those mistakes again. So you can just simply tell them and you can apologize them and you can ask them to unban your account, because it is from their end and only they can actually unban your account. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.